Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for integration by partial fraction. So kindly refers to the question, use the partial fractions to find the integral. So refers to the situation where we have x plus 2 over 1 minus x multiplied with x squared plus with the 2. So refers to the denominator, we have the factor 1 minus x, which is the linear factor, plus. So if you refers to the calculator, kindly factorize the situation and we will have the situation I. So the meaning I in the calculator means that the situation cannot be factorized. So where we have the quadratic factor. So back to 1 minus x, where we have the linear factor, so the numerator will be a constant. Followed by where we have x squared plus 2, which is the quadratic factor, then we have the situation linear. So where we have x plus 2, which is equals to a, multiply with x squared plus with the 2, plus bx plus c multiply with 1 minus x. So kindly focus on a, b, and with the c. In order to eliminate the b and c at the same time, so x would be 1. So that b and c can be eliminated because of 1 minus 1 where we have 0. Continue. Focus on b. Is it possible to eliminate a and c for the same time? So the answer will be no. Next, we have to move on with the c. Is it possible to eliminate the a and b at the same time? The answer is no as well. So we can just simply substitute any value. So let's say x is equals to 0. Then move on with the b. X is equals to 2. Any value other than 1 and 0. So let's begin with the calculation. So let's say the x is equals to 1. So where we have 3 equals to. So for this case, if we substitute 1, b and c can be disappear or eliminate. So we have 3a. So a is equals to 1. Continue. If we substitute x is equals to 2, so we will have 4, which is equals to, refers to a. We have 4 plus with the 2, so we have 6a. Plus, we have 2b plus with the c, multiply with 1 minus 2, where we have negative 1. So kindly rewrite or simplify the situation. So 4 is equals to 6a minus 2b minus c. Next, move on with x is equals to 0. So where we have 2, which is equals to 2a. And then we have b disappear because of 0. So plus with the c, multiply with 1 minus 0, where we have 1. So 2 equals to 2a plus c. So kindly substitute value of a is equals to 1. So we have 4 equals to 6 minus 2b minus c. Rewrite the situation. We have 2b plus with the c equals to 2. Kindly substitute 2 is equals to 2 plus with the c. So c will be equals to 0. Next is to substitute c equals to 0. So we have 2b is equals to 2 and b is equals to 1. So here we have the value a, which is equals to 1, b, which is equals to 1, and c, which is equals to 0. So rewrite the situation. So where we have x plus 2 over 1 minus x multiply with x squared plus with the 2, which is equals to 1 over 1 minus x. Plus we have the b, which is equals to x over x squared plus with the 2. So here we have the partial fraction. Next we have moving on with the integration. So refers to the basic method. Here we have ln 1 minus x. So do remember, differentiate the internal function, which is the 1 minus x. So we will have negative 1. Next refers to the right hand side, where we have to integrate by using substitution method. So let u is equals to x squared plus with the 2. Kindly differentiate the situation and we will have 2x dx. Refers to the situation where we have x on the numerator. So du over 2 is equals to x dx. And we notice that we have x dx, which is equals to du over 2. So rewrite the situation. So where we have integrate 1 over u, du multiply with 1 over 2. If we integrate, we will have the situation 1 over 2 ln u plus with the c. Kindly substitute the situation. So we have negative ln 1 minus x plus 1 over 2 ln, where we have the u, which is the x squared plus with the 2 plus with the c. You may rewrite the situation in the simplest form, or this is the final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.